here for another wig review with you. This wig that I'm wearing just now, this is her straight from box. She is called Stella Star by John Renault. She's part of the HD collection, and we're going to just show you the wig, talk a bit about the wig and play about a wee bit. Now, what I do love with this wig, Stella Star, so for those of you who don't know, Stella Reynolds is who this wig is named after, who is Mrs. John Renault. So John and Stella began John Renault, and Stella is the most gorgeous woman ever in the world. She is absolutely stunning, and she is the most kind, caring, lovely person that you could meet. So I love that there is this wig called Stella Star, and Stella means star. That's the meaning of the name Stella, so it's really beautiful. And also she is a star. She is like so glamorous and so just lovely. Anyway, enough about that, let's go on to the wig. So this is Stella Star by John Renault. She has a gorgeous lace front, and we have a full single monofilament top on this wig. Because it is heat friendly fibre, we can obviously change this. We can add volume, reduce volume, add a bit of a curl even to the kind of longer lengths, you know, to have them poker straight, do what you want to do. I'm going to turn and let you see this before I play about. I'm wearing the shade Caramel Ribbon, which is 6F27. I will insert all the lengths for you here as well. So this is Stella Star. She is a shorter style with kind of some longer lengths to it. I wouldn't say quite a shag style, but not a pixie style either. For me, I'm probably going to just straighten it out a bit more and have it a bit more piecey. You can use product in it, obviously. You can do whatever kind of suits you and wear it how you want to wear it. It's your hair after all. In a box, it's a wig. On your head, it's your hair. So yeah. I will show you the inside of the cap. Because you've got that full monofilament top, you can actually change that parting and you can wear it left, right, centre, whatever kind of suits you. You just do whatever you like because it's your hair. And I like to have it a bit more flat on top. So yeah, I mean, that's the thing. When you get a wig and it comes from box, you need to play about with them normally and just like run your fingers through them. The benefit of the kind of HD fibre wigs, it means you can also use heated tools on them. So if you want to add curls or waves or make more sleek or smooth, or just add volume and make it bigger or more deconstructed looking, you can do whatever you want much more easily than you would with a standard synthetic wig, which is really lovely. And however you heat style it, when you wash it, it'll stay whatever way you've heat styled it to. So if you want it back to how something, say you've got a curly wig, you want it to be straightened, when you wash it, it'll stay straight. If you want it curled, you can add that curl back in with heat and then it'll stay curly. So yeah, it's definitely versatility, and I really kind of love and appreciate having versatility and options with my wigs. So for me, when I'm wearing her, I will probably have it like so, and I tend to always, when I've got a bit of length, I like a wee bit in front of my ear, but I tend to like, with the shorter styles, tucking them behind my ear for the most part, and just leaving a little bit out either one side or both sides. Usually leave a wee bit down. So even if I have that side kind of shorter and have a wee bit of length on here, voila. And yeah, so this is Stella Star. She's really pretty. Now for me, when I tried her on from box, if I'm honest, like when I put it on at first, when I got the wigs, I tried it on and I was kind of like, this really doesn't suit me, this is just not my style at all. But yeah, I see people with these styles and they look really great in them, but it's just not for me. So it's not something I would normally gravitate towards. But again, because it's that HD, now that I have literally, I don't even have a mirror in front of me, I am just sitting in front of the camera. I wanted to put it on from box to let you see how she looks. But now that I have even just done a quick kind of like 2-minute effort with a set of flat irons and just stuck my fingers through the wig, already it totally changes how it looks, which I just love. And now I feel like it is more my style, so it is one that I will actually be wearing. I will wear her because I do like it like this. I like the kind of, I don't like too short a fringe on a shorter style wig. I like having the kind of longer fringe. I just feel it adds a bit more versatility, and for me personally it just suits my style better. I love that you have the kind of length, you can put it in front of your ears and have it all around your face, or you can just tuck it back like what I have done. At the back back you have a slight bit of length at the nape, but nothing major. So it's just really, really natural, really beautiful and flattering for people from all age ranges, I would say. So it's just really your own opinion, what you think, obviously. But yeah, quality wise, top quality. The fibres are beautiful. They're very fine, just like hair, human hair, biological hair would be. They're very fine, they're very lightweight, they're very easy to work with, and I really, really do like these fibres. I have washed a couple of the wigs in this collection just to see how they fare with the fibre wise, because sometimes I feel like heat friendly fibre between different brands can be slightly different, and it's been a while since I've worn a John & O heat friendly wig, and these ones, the fibres on these are just absolutely insane. They're brilliant, they're absolutely gorgeous, like even better than the likes of my Ignite and my Drew and my others from what I remember. These seem to be just like even better quality. I don't know, I love them, they're really, really good. So we have 4 new wigs from John & O for 2024, part of the HD launch, the Heat Defiant collection launch, and these burst bore are all just absolutely gorgeous. There are more to come soon, which I will have the videos on very soon for you guys as well, but I wanted to get these uploaded to show you now that we're just approaching launch. And yeah, really I totally recommend, if it's something you're thinking about and you're not sure about quality or what you're thinking of it, then hand on my heart, quality is amazing. I would say these 4 are the best kind of heat friendly fibres I have felt on the market. Like, they're really gorgeous. I love the styles, I think they're really beautiful. You've got Maeve, which is your slightly longer curly, you've got your shorter deconstructed Holly, you have Luna, and then you have this gorgeous Stella Star. So they are all beautiful. John & O again have done such an amazing job. I just love that the quality is always amazing with John & O, always. It's always very consistent, it's just wonderful, and they spend so much time on the design, on everything, and really trying to provide things that customers are looking for. So I'm wearing shade 6F27. This obviously comes in a range of shades for you guys, including some of the greys, so whatever you like, you can get it. Anyway guys, I'm going to head off for now, so take care, keep sparkling, be real beautiful. I'll be back soon with another wig review for you guys. You can buy this at MIMO Wigs, I'll pop the link for it in the description down below. So take care and see you guys all soon. Mwah! Bye!